Hi everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's vlog, ito yung mga ganap ko after ng trabaho. Punta na ako ngayon kay Baby Aiden para sunduin siya sa daycare. Hey, Mommy! How are you? How's your day? It's hot today, huh?
Yes.
I just realized I gave him a long sleep. Yan na ang baby boy. Hi! How's your day? Let's go! Yay! So ayan, pauwi na kami. Come! Up! So, ayan guys, nandito na kami sa bahay. Peekaboo! A peekaboo! Oh no, where is your chair? Good job. Grab your chair now. Where's your chair? Kinukuha niya yung upuan niya kasi pag uuwi kami, kailangan umupo siya dyan para alisin namin yung sapatos niya. Kaya nakasanay niya. Now, sit. Shoes out. Shoes, jacket. Hold. Good job. You help mama. So, ayan guys. Nagpalit na kami ng damit ni Baby Aiden. Nahilamos ko na rin siya and then napalitan ng damit. Kasi kailangan ko siya laging palitan at hilamusan pagdating namin mula sa daycare. Naglalaro kasi sila sa labas ng daycare nila, so kailangan ko talaga siya lagi palitan ng damit. Bagong medyas, sinugasan ko rin yung mga paa niya, kamay. Aiden, show to Dada the dinosaur. Come on. Here, show to Dada.
Oh no!
Is that Dada?
What are we crying about? Hi, come to Dada. Hi. What?
Wow, Dada is
What
here.
happened? Why are you complaining? What are you pointing at? What do you want? Hi, mommy.
You got food?
Yeah.
Many stuff with you.
Yeah, I love you.
It's our dinner. Wow, it's Chinese noodles. So we have here beef udon Chinese noodles.
That's Dada's favorite.
And then here for Aiden and Mommy is seafood. I request this to Dada. It's with fish ball and some sort of seafood. And this is the soup. Look at her. He cannot wait.
Yeah, he likes to leave. They make the best.
The duck here is so good.
Don't give Dada. No. Tastes better when you eat with someone else.
Yep, of course. What is this, baby?
That is cheesecake and brownie.
Wow!
Oh,
Wow.
bit my finger.
This is our time for my boys already.
You like that one?
I like the cheesecake. Of course, it's a cheese boy.
Oh, my finger. It's so good. Try, mommy.
Pagkakain namin ng dinner, magluluto naman ako ng baon namin para sa trabaho bukas. Una, magsasaing na muna ako ng kanin. Salang natin dito. At para naman sa pagkain namin bukas ng bebe, magluluto ako ng sarsyadong salmon. So, ayan, meron akong malaking salmon dito sa ref. Tapos, ito yung mga kamatis. Hugasan ko na yung salmon. Meron akong ditong tissue, i-drain ko na. Tapos, lagyan natin ng pampalasa na asin at paminta lang naman yung gamit ko dito. Bago natin pirutuhin. Lagyan natin ng asin. Paminta. Sa kabilang side din, yung balat niya. Yan, okay na to. Yan. Hiwain natin sa ganito kalalaki.
Hi.
Hi. What's up?
I found you some really amazing lights actually from Philips. If you want them, you can check. It's specifically for this. It's long ones, white ones, and you can put them. They're just like clip-ons.
That's good then. Napakadilim daw dito sa kitchen ko, kaya ayan, naghahanap siya ng light para sa akin. Papainit na tayo ng mantika.
There you are.
Ayan, hintay lang natin mapirito. At habang hinintay natin mapirito, prepare ko na yung mga kailangan ko sa sarsyado. Hugasan ko na yung mga kamatis. Bali, hiwain ko lang sa dalawa itong kamatis. So, ayan, ready na yung mga kailangan ko para sa sarsyado. Kaya nagpainit na ako ng kawali dito. Lagyan ko lang ng kaunting mantika. And then, ilagay ko na rin dito yung mga sibuyas na hiniwa-hiwa ko. Lalagay din ako dito ng kaunting bawang. Yan, hintay lang natin magisa. Ayan, okay na yung kabila. Okay na rin itong ginigisa ko, kaya ilalagay ko na yung mga kamatis. Tatakpan ko na muna to at hahayaan natin maluto yung mga kamatis. Check na natin itong mga kamatis. Malambot na siya. Durug-durugin lang natin. May lalagay na ako dito ng itlog. 2 itlog ang ilalagay ko. Naglalagay ako dito ng kaunting asin, kaunting paminta. Maglalagay ako ng kaunting tubig lang. Kaunti. Yan. Lalagay ko na yung mga salmon. Ready na to. Waiting pa ako sa kanin. I think ready na rin yung kanin. Pero mamaya ko na ilalagay sa baonan namin ni Bebe. Papatayin ko na itong mga kalang. Palamigin ko lang konti. Yan. Okay na. What are my boys doing? Hi! Oy!
Hello.
What you wanna buy? Hi guys! So ayan, after ko magluto ng baon namin, buksan natin yung mga pinamili niya sa city. What is this?
Face wash.
Yan, kailangan niya ng, face wash. What's this?
What's that, Aiden?
Of course, meron si baby Aiden. Wow, look! And I guess this is for mommy. Ay, nagpabili ako sa kanya ng isang pantulog. Nagpabili din ako sa kanya ng ampalaya.
Yeah, your favorite vegetable.
Ang trabaho ni Bebe. It's for your work, no?
Yeah, I need a lot of pants.
Bumili siya sa Primark kasi mura sa Primark. Here, is it black again?
Yeah, black. I got 3 black ones.
Okay.
Because it's the easiest one. Here, Aiden. Fold this one.
Okay.
Good job.
And then he needed the slippers because the slipper he had was old and we left it in Tenerife. More?
Yeah, it
Yes.
was left in Spain because we have no
Nice
space
shoes.
and they were old.
And what is this?
It's just a t-shirt.
Ah, how cute. What's this?
What's that?
The thank you. Wow. What's that? Wow, this is so cute. Look at that. It's a dinosaur.
Yeah.
What is this? What is this?
What's that? Dinosaur!
What's the dinosaur say? Can
No. No, like, okay.
Here, put them.
Look at that.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Wow. So nice, actually.
Dinosaur shoes, of course.
What more for you?
No?
What's this?
Oh, it's some sort of dinosaur.
What's
It's
this?
just a dinosaur t-shirt.
That's a dinosaur.
dinosaur. So, ayun. Yun lang yung mga pinamili ni Bebe sa city. And, yan. Meron ako pantulog and yes, ang palaya. Lutuin ko bukas. I really love this.
Do it.
Oh.
No.
You bite it. Look at it.
It's lovely.
So, ayun lang guys. So, that's all guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and click the notification bell para sa mga bago naming uploads. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Flying kiss. Mwah.
Mwah.
Kiss mama too. Mwah. Bye guys.
Da.